fully improvised. I should have planned this out better. That's on my bad. I was hoping for people to ask questions or people to chat and stuff, but that's fine. I'm not blaming you. So, welcome everyone. Boggy here. Have a great day and stay awesome. And welcome everyone on YouTube. This will be published as a YouTube video, hopefully. So, hi guys on YouTube. Hello. Okay. Today we're going to be talking about Overdrive. Just a need to know. Now, before we get into it, I'd like to say that if you have any questions about Minecraft server, any questions about Overdrive, feel free to put in live chat. But if not, just listen. And if you want support, you don't have to. You can invest, you can get some merch, do whatever. It's up to you. But anyways, here is the rundown of Overdrive. Okay, so Overdrive. What is Overdrive, boys? Okay, so Overdrive, the reason behind the business of Overdrive was school. Okay, so in school, me and two other friends, we call ourselves the Three Musketeers. And essentially, we took our laptops, we played video games, and of course, once we played video games in the breaks, lunch break, and then you would have tea break and all whatever stuff. And we would hang out. But the problem is that you would also have to do homework and other projects like that. And it got me thinking with other people and other friends. As technology gets advanced, so does the amount of storage that we store, right? And so like games are now like 100 gigabytes. And then it's like, well, I have projects and you can't fit a lot of storage on the drives. So what do we do kind of thing. And so yes, our go-to solution a lot of the time is get external hard drives. External hard drives are good, like plug and play and portable and whatever stuff. But the problem with external hard drives is it builds up. You get another external hard drive and another one, and it keeps on going on. And then what if it's faulty, So that's why cloud storage as a service is so handy, because it deals with organization, and it also deals with management in terms of protecting and maintaining the data, instead of finding like if I said to you, if you had like 5 external hard drives, if I said to you, can you find that picture, what external hard drive is that picture, like can you organize that? No, because it's independent. So Overdrive, what is Overdrive? Overdrive is a cloud storage solution, okay? And essentially, we're going to be doing 3 stages of this business, okay? Stage 1 I'm going to be discussing is the Kickstarter program, okay? The Kickstarter program's main function is to have financial support for Stage 2. Stage 2 is the full end of the cloud storage service, which we'll be discussing in this stream. This will be about the infrastructure, about backups. And then stage 3 is how flexible we are as a company and our full potential. Okay, so our Kickstarter. The first, starting a business. Look, I'm new to this, okay? Starting a business. Now, I'm not that new. Like, I have started a business before in terms of IT, in terms of being a technician. And that was cool. Getting a few clients, getting a few customers and stuff like that. I want to try it again, okay? So, starting this Overdrive is going to be tricky. Now, this whole speech of this live stream is completely improvised. I don't know what I'm going to talk exactly. I only have bullet points on my computer. Anyways, so starting this, we have a Discord server running. Okay, we're going to have a website running as well. That's going to be running. And then we're going to have some merch and a donation site. Okay, so how this is going to work is we're going to have Twitter, Twitch, YouTube promoting Overdrive. And essentially, you should join our Discord server, because the 3 main ones, like the Twitch, the Twitter, and the YouTube, that's going to be saying, oh, we've got some updates, blah, blah, blah. But all the updates that you will need to know will be funneled down to our Discord server. So yeah, if you want to know what we're up to, if you want to know the progress and stuff, even the slides that you see on the stream, this is a custom Minecraft generation. Like if you want to know, there's tons of biomes. If you want to know that, if you want to know this, like get up to date. Go and check out our Discord. So yeah, the business is slow to start off with, but I've tried my best. I've given up, as I said, the website, Discord server, merch. If you want to donate, you can. And the Kickstarter is a Minecraft server. Okay. Now I know Minecraft server is not cloud storage, so just bear with me. Okay. So the Kickstarter is going to be a pay-to-play Minecraft server. The first month of releasing this Minecraft server will be for free. So we're going to be doing a beta test where anyone can join the Minecraft server. I'll be streaming one whole month of this, okay? And with your feedback, we'll improve it. We'll add some things, remove some things, and see how it goes. After that month, we will do a pay monthly subscription. And all the money from the pay-to-play Minecraft server, the merch, and hopefully some investors that invest the vision will all be contributed to, not me, but that pool of money will be contributed to the infrastructure of stage 2, which was the whole intention of cloud storage. We now remember, no matter what stage of the business, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, we'll always have a 24/7 server, Minecraft server, okay? However, our main focus, our main vision is to provide a go-to cloud storage as a service. So yeah, I have put on the live chat our Discord link. Feel free to check that out if you want to stay up to date. Let me just click on this. Cool. So with our Minecraft server, it's nothing going to be that special. It's going to be a typical Minecraft server with a few plugins. We're going to be hosting monthly events. Like, these events could be like Minecraft Manhunt with a twist, build battle. It could also be a type of Hunger Games, and then a type of zombie apocalypse. We'll get into that later on, but that's how it goes. So the important thing out of this is that the Discord server is linked to our Minecraft server. Okay, so the number one feature that we're selling for the Minecraft server is proximity chat. Okay, that's where I created a Discord server bot to interact with Minecraft the game, so that when you're near a player, you get joined into a different voice chat. So that's pretty cool. You can have your own voice group going. You can chat with friends. And the Minecraft server will be cross-play, hopefully, when it comes to Java and Bedrock. Java and Bedrock together. So that's cool. Like, no one gets left behind kind of principle. I'm thinking about releasing the Minecraft Kickstarter probably next year, probably April, because that's like my birthday. I want to get things right. So Overdrive, just a summary. Overdrive is our go-to cloud storage solution to help people. Okay, the way we're starting out is the Kickstarter, our Minecraft server, our pay-to-play. But before it's pay-to-play, we have 1 month free trial to the public so that we can get that feedback. And that will be like the beta stage. Once that's done, it will go into Overdrive to do with pay to play. All the money goes to stage 2. Okay. Now, later on, stay up to date with Discord, because later on I will be, announcing when I go live streaming. I will be announcing more stuff in terms of the business. But yeah, I don't know how long I'm going to do this. Stage 2 is what's stage 2? Stage 2 is essentially the infrastructure. So the difference between a external hard drive and my system is, well, multiple. So my system is what we call a NAS. NAS stands for Network Attached Storage. So a network attached storage, the beautiful thing between that and your system is that you can connect to it anywhere in the world as long as you have internet connection. Okay, we will bring and support a VPN connection so that your connection is secure. And since it's in New Zealand, it like I don't see a lot of cloud storage in New Zealand or in Oceania. Like it's mainly in America, right? So like that's another competition and an edge, if you will, for the business, because I'm providing fast connectivity to the Oceania region, kind of thing. So if you're in Oceania, feel free to hit me up some questions. But if you're from America, you still have that VPN connection, that direct connection as well. So yeah, what we'll be doing on stage 2 is those people that are wondering, those maybe future investors that are wondering where's the money going to, it's going towards a Synology NAS, a system where we're going to have 8 drive bays, but we're only going to use 4 lots of 10 terabyte hard drives. So that's 40 terabytes in total to start off with, but we're only going to use 30 terabytes. This is going to be in a what we call a RAID 5 configuration. RAID just stands for Redundant Array of Independent Disks. Essentially, what RAID is it's how the data is stored. And depending on the company, there are different types of RAIDs. RAIDs focus on 3 key components, and there is no one RAID that has these 3 components to be like the perfect RAID. There is no perfect RAID for these 3 types of components. So the first component is the capacity. How much storage can you store on the drives? Second one is the performance. What is the speeds? Okay, is it fast? Is it slow? And then the third one, which is probably the most important one, redundancy. If something fails, can the infrastructure still be up or is it down? Okay, so in a RAID 5 configuration, we have 2 technologies. We have striping and we've got parity. Okay, so striping is where we spread the data across all the drives, and then parity is like backup data, where we spread all the backup across all the drives. What this does essentially is if one drive fails, all the other drives go on overdrive, hence the name, the company, OVERDRIVE, and so there won't be any data loss and everything will still be functional. Okay, with RAID 5, you will have better speeds. You'll have one drive fault tolerant, so one drive can fail and you'll still be fine. However, the capacity is less because you're using one full drive of capacity as a kind of backup thing. Later on, we'll get some backups. We'll be focusing on backups. There'll be I've discovered I researched the 3-2-1, where the 3-2-1 method is 2 local backups and 1 remote backup. So stage 2 is only going to do 2 local backups, and that's going to be, one is going to be external hard drive. Yep, I know. I said that external hard drives, they're okay. I might be dissing external hard drives here and there, but still, external hard drives are great for backups if you know what you're doing. And then number 2, we're going to get another network attached storage and connect it to the main one. So it's like an expansion, if you will. So yeah, we're going to expand it, but the expansion is going to be a backup. So yeah, so just that just means that if something happens to your data, it doesn't really matter. We have got you covered. And the only difference between stage 2 and stage 3 is the expandability of capacity, performance, redundancy, and backup. So the capacity is in like more hard drives. The performance, well, the more hard drives we put in, the faster it will be, because with RAID, when it comes to combining all the hard drives together, it's called a storage pool. And when you have a storage pool with a RAID, the performance increases with each hard drive you put in. And the redundancy will increase, because we'll move from a RAID 5 to a RAID 6, which RAID 5 and 6 is the same, except for RAID 5 is only one drive fault tolerance. If one drive fails, that's fine. Well, RAID 6, it's two. So if two drives fail at the same time, that's still fine. And then backup. Stage 3 will be an offsite backup. So that way, if for some stupid reason we have a flood, electrical surge, whatnot, I don't know, that whole local site is gone, that's fine. We have a remote site. We have a remote backup, so that if in likely situation happen, we still can store and back up your data, and we'll have time to maintain and to get you to access that data as well. So that is the kind of vision that I want, and I just want to help other people. I've always, if you know me, you should know me by now. If for those that don't, a lot of the me on YouTube and Twitch and Twitter and stuff like that, when I do my streams and stuff, it's never about me. I was always a person that was focusing on helping other people, okay? And so that's the drive, and that's the passion that I have for this business, okay? And I hopefully we get there. I am really excited for this. I have been working on my website with a friend. It's looking good, really good. I can't wait. I have been working on Discord. Discord has a lot to offer. Let me just do something real quick. Someone Discord me, that's fine. But yeah, there's nothing really much to say. I will continue to work hard. I will the future. So okay, what I have discussed. I discussed why I did it. I discussed how I'm gonna begin, which is the Kickstarter. $3,000. That's why it's the donation goal. I'm not expecting people to donate $3,000 on today's stream. No, I mean it'll be good, but I mean I'm not expecting that. That's just the goal. The goal we're trying to reach. Okay. But yeah, so that's the $3,000 will go towards getting the system, getting the RAM, the memory to run Minecraft server, and then getting the hard drive to run it as well, to store the data. Because the Minecraft server will actually be running off a virtual machine or some kind of Docker container or something like that. But yeah, as I explained throughout the video, throughout the stream, sorry, the Minecraft, all the Minecraft stuff is what you're going to be seeing when playing on the server. Yeah. So there's a lot of even this one. The generation is way better. There is, when it comes to structure wise, the watchtower, what's it called? The outpost. It looks way better than the default outpost, where it's just like a tall tower and that's it. And then you have these custom, biomes. It just looks so good, especially with shaders. These are all taken by shaders. I'm pretty happy with it. Unfortunately, yeah. See, the outpost, so good, so good. But yeah, I am probably going to end the stream right now. This has been fully improvised. I should have planned this out better. That's on my bad. I was hoping for people to ask questions or people to chat and stuff, and that's fine. I'm not blaming you. It's fine. But I'd just like to say thank you so much for everyone watching. Hopefully, I've got my main points out. That Overdrive is a cloud storage business, but the Kickstarter will be focusing on Minecraft server. Minecraft server, along with merch and investors, will be going forward to stage 2, which is where what was intended, which is cloud storage. Well, Minecraft will just be in the sidelines still. It won't be the main focus, Minecraft, but it will still be there. And then stage 3 is where everything gets actually real.